Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 28th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So gold made another really big push up throughout the Asian session. I've been saying for a few days that maybe we would get a short, but I've also been saying don't go short unless you have a break of structure. This has been higher lows the whole time, and like I said in last night's video, as long as it continues to make higher highs, higher lows, there's no reason to go short whatsoever. Now we have hit my daily time frame target that I have been talking about for weeks now, which is the 278%, which is right around the 3070 area. And we definitely have what I would consider a five-wave structure. So I do think that there is a good possibility that it is going to go down and either make a correction to the five-wave structure, which would look like this, and then back up, or possibly it really is a wave five, and now it's going to make a big move to the downside for a big wave A. Either way, it does seem pretty likely that it is going to make a bigger move to the downside, but I have a really hard time recommending shorts because we don't really know that it's going to stop at this fib level. I mean, there's more Fibonacci levels up above. If you go all the way to the weekly time frame, there's another cluster of Fibonacci levels all the way around 3,160. So it definitely doesn't have to stop at this area. So if you are a short time trade trader, we are getting a little bit of a breaker structure. So if you do see a pullback, you could definitely go short. And if it turns into a big giant wave three, that's good news. If it's not a wave three and it goes down and makes like a wave C and then turns back up, maybe something like this, then you better get the heck out of your shorts right away and continue to look for longs. The trend is your friend, and this thing is literally in an uptrend on every single time frame, all the way from the monthly down to the 1 hour. We are in an uptrend. When you're in an uptrend on all those higher time frames, you need to be extremely cautious about taking sorting opportunities. Does seem like a very likely place to turn. Whether it's going to or not, price action should tell us. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.